Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the character in SpiritVale. Let's begin by opening the settings menu. Do so by pressing the settings button in the bottom right corner or pressing the escape key on the keyboard. From here select Logout. You'll be transported into the character creator menu. As you can see, we have 2 out of 10 characters. If you may change the character by simply clicking on them and then hit play character. It will be loaded, and as you can see, now I'm playing my second character. That's about it. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to like, comment and subscribe.